Local SEO. What is local SEO? Local SEO is a digital marketing strategy aimed at improving the online visibility and search engine rankings of businesses that target specific geographic locations. It is particularly useful for businesses that cater to a local market, such as restaurants, local service providers, or brick-and-mortar stores. When implementing local SEO, businesses focus on optimizing their online presence to attract customers in a particular city, region, or state. For example, a business in Orlando, Florida, may want to target local customers in that specific area. Google is a significant player in local search, and its local search results are based on three main factors: relevance, distance, and prominence. Relevance refers to how well a business's information matches what a user is searching for. Distance considers the proximity of the business's location to the user's search location. Prominence takes into account the credibility and popularity of the business based on factors like reviews, backlinks, and online mentions. One crucial aspect of local SEO is maintaining consistent name, address, phone number, information across all online platforms. Consistency ensures that search engines and users can easily find accurate information about the business. This information is particularly crucial for mobile users who often search for local businesses while on the go. Google My Business, GMB, is a vital tool for local SEO. It allows businesses to create and manage their online presence on Google, providing essential information such as location, operating hours, reviews, and photos. Having a complete and accurate GMB profile enhances a business's chances of appearing in local search results. To measure the performance of local SEO efforts, businesses can focus on three core metrics: ranking, traffic, and conversion. Ranking refers to where the business appears in local search results. Tracking organic traffic from search engines, especially mobile traffic, helps gauge the effectiveness of local SEO efforts. Additionally, monitoring conversion rates allows businesses to assess how many visitors are turning into customers. Google Analytics is an essential tool for tracking and analyzing organic search traffic, including mobile traffic. It provides insights into user behavior, bounce rates, average session duration, and page load times. Monitoring these metrics helps identify areas for improvement and optimize the website for a better user experience. By implementing local SEO strategies, businesses can connect with their target audience more effectively, increase website traffic, and attract potential customers who are actively looking for their products or services in their local area. Consistency, accuracy, and engagement are key factors in achieving success with local SEO efforts. Keyword ranking. Mastering keyword ranking. Strategies for top search engine positions. Keyword ranking plays a pivotal role in driving organic traffic to your website and increasing visibility among your target audience. By understanding the intricacies of keyword research, optimization, and tracking, you can propel your online presence to new heights and outrank your competitors. Section 1. The importance of keyword ranking. 1.1 Understanding keyword ranking. 1. Definition of keyword ranking. 2. How search engines determine rankings. 3. The role of relevance, search volume, and competition. 1.2 Benefits of high keyword rankings. 1. Increased organic traffic. 2. Enhanced brand visibility and credibility. 3. Higher click-through rates, center, and conversion rates. Section 2. Keyword research and selection. 2.1 Keyword research fundamentals. 1. Identifying your target audience and their search intent. 2. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. 3. Exploring long-tail keywords for specific targeting. 2.2 Analyzing keyword metrics. 1. Assessing search volume and trends. 2. Evaluating keyword difficulty and competition. 3. Identifying high-value keywords with commercial intent. 2.3 Competitive analysis. 1. Investigating your competitors' keyword strategies. 2. Discovering keyword gaps and opportunities. 3. Leveraging competitor weaknesses for your benefit. Section 3, On-Page SEO and Keyword Optimization. 3.1 Creating SEO-friendly content. 1. Crafting high-quality, valuable content for users. 2. Incorporating target keywords naturally and strategically. 3. Optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, and headers. 3.2 URL structure and keyword usage. 1. Best practices for structuring URLs. 2. Utilizing keywords in URLs for better ranking signals. 3.3 Image and video optimization. 1. Using alt tags in image descriptions with keywords. 2. Optimizing video titles and descriptions for search visibility. Section 4. Off-page SEO and link building for ranking. 4.1 The role of backlinks in SEO. 1. Understanding the importance of quality backlinks. 2. Differentiating between follow and no-follow links. 3. Building a diverse and authoritative backlink profile. 4.2 Link building strategies. 1. Guest posting on relevant and reputable websites. 2. Earning natural backlinks through exceptional content. 3. Engaging in influencer outreach and relationship building. Section 5. Local SEO and keyword ranking. 5.1 Local keyword research. 1. Targeting location-specific keywords. 2. Leveraging Google My Business and other local directories. 3. Incorporating local modifiers in content and meta tags. 5.2 Citations and NAP consistency. 1. Creating consistent name, address, and phone number (NAP) across directories. 2. Earning citations from local sources for improved rankings. Section 6. Tracking and analyzing keyword performance. 6.1 Monitoring keyword rankings. 1. Utilizing tools like Moz, Ahrefs, and SEMrush for tracking. 2. Setting up regular keyword ranking reports. 6.2 Analyzing SEO performance metrics. 1. Understanding bounce rate, dwell time, and user engagement. 2. Evaluating the impact of keyword ranking on website traffic. You have now gained a comprehensive understanding of keyword ranking and its pivotal role in driving organic traffic and increasing brand visibility. By implementing the strategies discussed in this guide, you can master the art of keyword ranking and propel your website to the top positions in search engine results. Remember, keyword ranking is an ongoing process, so continuous monitoring, adaptation, and optimization are essential for sustained success. Best of luck on your SEO journey.